Ladies and gentlemen and all variations thereupon, today is a very wet Monday, a bank holiday Monday of course, so I'm going to stay at home, chill and do some pyrography. Pyrography, if you don't know, is the art of wood burning in order to create an image. Now, online recently I saw a meme that I thought would make very good coasters, so if I can find the meme, I'll link it below. So today we're going to do a quick, easy tutorial on how to create your own meme coasters with wood burning. If your wood burning pen or soldering iron has a temperature gauge, you want to set it to about 320 degrees. To create your image, simply touch the hot iron to the wood. Now, pressing on harder will not create a darker image, it will just dig into the wood and possibly damage your pen or soldering iron. So the best thing to do is to use a light touch with multiple passes, and if you want something darker, then you just leave it in place for longer. If you want it lighter, then move quite quickly, and I'll show this later on. This first coaster is going to show a regular nuclear family that most people think of: a mother, father and child. Of course, there are many types of family which are just as valid as any other. For example, you could have a family with two fathers, or even a family with two mothers, and there's nothing wrong with this. They're just different forms of family. Every family is valid in its own way. It's often said that the most important job in all of civilization is to be a parent, because in being a parent, in being a good parent, you set your child up for being a good citizen in the next generation. And the hardest job then must be that of the single parent, and we should probably do a lot more to support single parents than we already do. But of course, just because being a parent is very important, it doesn't mean that not being a parent and choosing to go child-free is any less valid. And we shouldn't judge anyone for wishing not to have children. Some people just can't have children. It doesn't mean that they're not a family. And finally, of course, where would we be without Batman? He keeps our city safe, well, just Gotham City. And here we can see how you can use the pen to create different shades. For the outline of the bat symbol, you move slowly to create a dark outline, and move quite quickly in order to fill it in with a lighter shade. And the last step in creating these coasters is to put a blob of hot glue in several places, just to prevent it from scratching any tables that we put it on. And there we have it, a nice, quick, easy task to do of a rainy afternoon. If you try something like this yourself, then be sure to let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.